Hello my kids, welcome to New Academy Year. It is time for Math Primary 3.
Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are in Chapter 1, Part 2. Our lesson today called Estimate the Product. Estimate the product. We will learn today how we can estimate the product, how we can find problems, multiplication problems which are nearest to the actual product. Okay, so estimate the product of 5 times 9. We wanted to find the two multiplication problems which are nearest to 5 times 9. Okay, so we will take 5 times 10. 5 times 10, you know that 5 times 10 is equal 50, right? So 5 times 9 must be 5 times 9 must be less than 50. Why? Because 9 is less than 10. Okay, because 9 is less than 10. So the product of 5 times 9 must be less than 50. And we will take 5 times 8. You know that 5 times 8 equals 40. So 5 times 9 must be more than 40. Why? Because 9 is more than 8. Okay? So we found here two multiplication problems which are nearest to 5 times 9. Yes? And we know it also which are less than and which of them are is more than. So the actual product is located between 40 and 50. So the actual solution is, you know that 5 times 9 is 45, right? And 45 is nearest to 40 and also nearest to 50. Another example. Estimate the product of 2 times 10 times 3. But you notice, we have here three numbers, right? Here 2, but here 3. What we will do? We will turn the 3 numbers into 2 by using brackets. Do you remember associative property last lesson? Yes, we will use the 2 brackets with the first 2 numbers. So 2 times 10 is 20 times 3. So we turn the 3 numbers into 2 numbers. And then find 2 estimation or 2 multiplication problems which are nearest to 20 times 3. So we know that 20 times 4, we know that 4 times 2 is 8 and put the 0. So 20 times 4 is 80. 20 times 3 must be less or more? Less, yes, because 3 is less than 4, less than 80. And we have also multiplication problem 20 times 2. Okay, 20 times 2 is equal to 2 times 2, 4, and put the 0 is 40. So 20 times 3 must be more than 40. Excellent, because 3 is more than 2. So the actual product is located between 40 and 80. Okay, so you know that the actual product 20 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6 and 0, 60. It's really located between 40 and 80. Estimate the product of 6 times 7. So I will find the 2 multiplication problems which are nearest to the product of 6 times 7. And there are 6 times 8 and 6 times 6. 6 times 8, you know that it equals 48. And 6 times 7 must be less than, because 7 is less than 8. Less than 48. And we have 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 must be more than. Why? Because 7 is more than 6. So 6 times 7 must be more than 36. The actual solution is located between 36 and 48. And you know that 6 times 7 equals 42. Yes, it's really located between 36 and 48. Okay, so estimate the product means we find the two multiplication problems which are nearest to the product of the 6 times 7. Okay, or any problem. The factive families, you know about this before. If we have three numbers, we can make relation between them. We have two multiplication problems and two division problems. So if I use the smaller two numbers, I get the multiplication. 5 times what equals 30? 6. 6 times what equals 30? 35. Okay, 30 is the biggest divided any one of them. Give me the third. Divided by 6 equal 5. 30 divided by 5 equal the third 6. Okay, so from this any three numbers we can make four relation, two multiplication and two division. Okay, and we have also two-step story problems. We will solve any story problems we have here with two steps. Okay, let's see the first one. Miss Rawan orders 3 packs of markers. Okay, each pack has 6 markers, so she has 3 packs of markers. Each pack has 6 markers. After passing out 1 marker to each student in her class, she has 2 left. Okay, how many students are in Miss Rawan's class? So to know the total number of students which are in Miss Rawan's class, first we wanted to know the total number of markers, right? So step 1, we multiply 3 packs. Each pack has 6 markers, so the total number of markers 3 times 6 equals 18 markers. Step number 2, she has 2 left after she passing out 1 marker to each student in her class. So what we will do, we subtract it. Step 2, subtract the total, so the number of students, subtract 18 minus 2 equals 16 students. Okay, Farah bought 12 pieces of gum. Her sister gave her 9 more. She ate 6 of them. How many pieces of gum left with her? So to know how many pieces of gum left with Farah, first we wanted to know the total number. She has 12 and her sister gave her 9, so the total number of gum is 12 plus 9 equals 21 gums. Step number 2, she ate 6. So 21 minus 6 equals 15 gums. Complete. If we have 5 times 3 times what equals 30? 5 times 3, you know that equals 15. 15 plus 15 equals 30. So 15 times 2. If we add 15 2 times, give me 30. So 15 times 2. 10 times what? Times 6 times what equals 600. Here we have 10, because here 6 times 10 equals 60. 60 times 10 equals 600.
See you later.